Mommy used to say, listen, yeah, your friend never gone over and I go Joan, kill her with lick. What? If my Joan I go kill me with lick?
My life could have worse. So me a search for happiness.
Wagwan. Big up the people, you see me? How do you know? Thursday, you see it? And what the time we do the thing, man. And me there I may make some egg a while ago, you know. And as you saw the title suggest, things with Caribbean parents said to you as a child growing up, that makes absolutely no sense to you right now, but you still go by them and you find myself even I use them for my child because it's a disciplinary action without applying action. If you get to me forward from, you see me? Because just now I'm a big man now and this are things that used to happen. Just now me there I saw me a fry the egg. See? After me done fry the egg, I said, Jano, now time for washing the pot, you know. I guess what the first thing will come to mind when I ever eat the egg out of the pot. I said, Jano, oh, mommy them used to tell me say meat out of the pot, me now go grow in a beard. Could they? Me full of beard like a bat. You get it? Beard, bat. Anyway. But yeah, I mean I say yo, them people in a easy. I love how the Caribbean parents go at it for discipline way, you see me? That man say yo, if you eat out of pot, you never grow in a beard in the tummy. And as a man, you know, yo, as a youth, I grow up, you want to grow a beard, you know, because that differentiate the boys from the men. That's what they told us too. And your action differentiate the boys from the men. Because you have big man still act like boy, you see? But big man thing, yeah. I drink some lime tea. Got a little bit of sugar. I'm gonna put the honey in it this morning. You see me? Some scrambled egg. And then I have over this one now. Some oat spice I want. So I get up and go over there, but oat spice I deal with. I come and say, yo brother. Oh, mommy used to tell man boy if man eat out of pot. But it's like dining etiquette. You know what I say? Like the proper way. But then I tell you that thing, they tell you something where you know say I go on. And next thing when they used to tell you say again. When they want you to come in early, you know, they know I got a road, you know. Here what they used to tell us, you know. If you turn the road past 6 o'clock and the rolling calf past you 3 times. If you make the rolling calf past you 3 times, you know, him are going to name you. You see me? And you say, Jano, do you know when 6 o'clock catch your road? Whereas you could have said now one different way and trick them. So come in, make sure you come out early. They know say then tell you these things. You're not gonna come up early. You hear about rolling calf and the chain and ready, aye? Right. You don't want 6 o'clock catch your road, my fam. You see me? Trust me. We should meet that video alive and get phone reaction. If you're from the Caribbean, or even if you're not from the Caribbean, but your parents are a family or a friend, what are some what the word am I say now? Superstitions that your parents or family have from back home. You know what I say? They have a next one we go and they love talking at purpose, but that is for our next video. You see me? Comment below and let me know some of the superstitions where your family have or even you have up to this day. You see me? And let me know if you want to see a part 2 of the video. But trust me, I say, yo, you have one next one and then tell us, say, yo, as I say, eat on the table. If you turn up on the table, you are going to turn thief. Hold that thought, then forward. Yeah, story pot, story. A porridge and a porridge. Make it go and take time cook, because I want that old porridge I feel nice. Yeah, man. Me there again. You see me? Yeah, man, then tell you say, yo, anyway, you stand up on the table, you know, you have to grow up with your teeth. Really and truly. You have to go to school. And the teacher asks you, what do you want to grow up with, be when you grow up? You go say teeth. No, sir. But yeah, man, they have a next style, you know, where they tell you, say, yo, if you walk somewhere and you pass all a black post, don't go that way. Why they use a black cat? Why they use a black cat? Big up black cat sound in Jamaica, you see me? But why they use a black cat? Why you can't if you pass one grey puss or one white puss? But I just guess they put a stigma upon anything black kind of bad type of vibe. I don't know. Comment below and let me know. But then tell us if you pass one black cat, don't go. If you see one black cat now, let's say I go to one place and you see one black cat, don't walk this so bad luck. And the same black cat now, they have a thing say and this in the same, if you go at a party and say a black cat, they have a next one in Jamaica now, they used to use by enough. Shortcut draw blood. Like if me can find a shorter route to get there, why not? But me get where them come from, see me, they don't want, as a little child I come from school, they go up on no road where people aren't on. You know, there's no traffic, so your people can take you on it. So these are good things, they make sense to me as an adult now, but as a child they never really make sense, but they make sense if you get to me and say, does that make sense? I don't know if me talk sense. But yeah, they tell you say, oh, don't take any shortcut because shortcut draw blood. No, our parents, our family, speaking out of parables, shortcut draw blood, they don't say, they necessarily say, if you walk there, I go just bleed automatically. But you walk in there, that means you can't get hurt, somebody can take you, damage you, kill you, God forbid. You know where I fought from? So they say, no, take shortcut draw blood. But sometimes we take a little and say, why me can't walk? I go make me reach faster. You see me? But I guess that's where they might try come with. So if you're if you are one of them Jamaican parents, say, right now I watch this, comment and let me know. You see me? But big up man thing, these are some of the things I used to really get me, man. And they have a next one again, you know. Anytime. Yo, let me tell you, so growing up, me very competitive. Probably me not have that much that competitiveness in me right now, but growing up, I'm very competitive. The only thing I couldn't do growing up was swim. Believe me, I still can't swim, but I go put Jamie in a swimming lessons and best believe, said me I go get some lessons myself. Come on, I learn how to swim. And the reason behind me cannot swim, mommy, yeah, the reason why I can't swim. Yes, me I drag you out, me I dry you under the bus, you make me can't swim. Because guess what? Mommy used to say, listen, you are your friend I'm going to river and I go Joan, kill you with lick. What? If me Joan you go kill me with lick? Make that one the so key, my people. If you're Joan I go kill you with lick. Dead body you go and beat. But you get where that come from, isn't it? So I just always had a little fear that I say, yo man, I want to join us. So I'm going to reverse our beach. I sit down on one stone or upon the sand. I'm not going in the water. I have a next phobia too. If I go in the water and the water kind of pass my chest, I feel like I want big heavy weight just to push down upon my chest. I say, Jano. Just feel like everything will go lock off. So that's why I don't really like the swim. If water pour down upon my head and I come down on my face too hard, I feel like I go suffocate. So that's one next thing again. But until they say, yo, if you do something your parents tell you say, don't do, and you don't want to get beatings, guess what you do? Comment below and let me know. I go wait pound and see if you don't know what I go on. Comment below. Yeah man, and that's it man. Spit on a stone, or for my international friends who are watching, spit on a rock, throw it behind you, and don't look back, and guarantee you're not get beat when you go home. You see me? Yeah man. These are some of the things they want to tell you, man. You just keep you in check, you see me? Now try to think about this one. That's the funniest thing, you know. You know all these things, when it comes to the point of view, thinking about them is very difficult. So guess what? I want you to comment and let me know, yo, what are some of these superstitions that your parents had or still have? And even if you're a child yourself living in the Caribbean, because you know say Caribbean full of that. Even you know what? We are a diverse channel. And we want to have inclusion with everybody. So let me not say the Caribbean only, but most of these that I'm talking about is from the Caribbean. But no matter where in the world you are, let me know down below some of the superstitions that your parents grew you up on. I know overseas and have the saying, step on a crack, you break your mother's back. But what the relevance of that one? Like, why if you step on a crack type of, you know what I'm saying? And the black cat situation, I see a lot of people here in Canada use that reference as well. So if you see a black cat, don't go there and, you see me? So many of them where, because I'm here alone there, I just have vibe by myself for my breakfast, I can't really backside chat too much. That I want next thing to tell you. chat too much, I go name off your tongue. And it did happen a lot too, you see me? But please, I want to continue with them type of video because me and Meds and me and say, Jano, nobody really want who are really sit down and watch me at Canada, because Canada so boring. Like, me have to say Canada boring, and a lot of people share the same opinion. But guess what? I come to realize, say, yo, just like I used to tell myself growing up, anywhere in this world I am, I will be successful. And it just remind me of this morning, say, yo, success is not where you are, but who you are. You see me? I want to leave that with my people, because me myself did a fall for certain things where I never believe in. Like me, I said, Jano, I want to go out so I can do something exciting. But really and true, that me bring the vibes. Like trash bring the flies. You see me? So why me have to wait till me at a certain place before me have fun? I am a fun person. I can have fun wherever in the world I am. So why not just do my thing? So this is one of those ways. That's why I not really give out a lot of content. Because really and true to my people, I am just home. Wake up in the morning, get Jamie ready for school. We go to school. Most of the time, I just bring my gym bag with me. I head to the gym. I edit my videos, I have to edit. And then I start workout because I now go just come out of the snow and then go straight to the work, you know. I rest off, edit a video if I have to. Then I start workout. I leave this by, let's say, because Jamie go to school 8:30, I reach at the gym. By the time I walk at the gym, I reach at the gym 9 o'clock. See? When I done the gym now, I'll probably be like 2 o'clock depending, because I did it for 1 3 hour edit my videos then. I'm going to leave the gym like 3 o'clock. Come home, cook some food for eat after the gym, film a video, try edit a video and make it on social media, scroll around here and there. And it repeat. So that is not much. And that's basically my day most of the time. Unless I really go somewhere. But I say, yo, I can do a lot of sit downs like these that are interesting and that can have. Because you know it goes, especially if you're from the Caribbean and we always there out 7 days a week. Not me still, but I saw the Caribbean known for like with this whole party every day. But you know, coming from that type of setting into a setting like this way, a bag of snow they out the door right now, and out the cold you don't want to go out there. And you know what I say? You live in a building where there's what? 6 units, and you don't know the name of one of your neighbor. Whereas you're coming from the Caribbean, Jamaica, anywhere, and you know the entire community of people and everybody by name. I don't even know the person who live next door my name. So that's some of the things I'm trying to show you. Say it's a big culture shock, but you have to remember this, you know. And you bring the vibes, like the rubbish bring the flies. So no matter where you're there, you can bring the vibes. And that is a lesson me need to teach myself. And this is what I'm doing right now. Alisa said this to me the other day. Say, yo, when I reach with my little brother. Because you know my little brother start his own channel called TY TV. You know what I say? So check him out, TY TV vlogs. In there Jamaica, I'm going to some great content. The youth done a plan out him thing. And I sit down there and I ask me for some advice by YouTube. I give him just life advice. And Alice said, wow, you give such great advice. But why you don't take some advice? Because I'm just kind of stubborn. I know the right thing more, but I do the opposite. You know the little way there? So that is something I'm moving and gearing towards. Taking my own advice. I have some great advice and I have a lot more sit downs like this. Probably now, you know what I say? When I eat, I might do something different in my porridge. I got burn up, so I need to go check for my porridge. But yeah, comment below and let me know if you enjoy this video. If this is interesting at all. If yes, if me get at least, if me get 100 comments, because I have a lot of people on here. If I get 100 comments, and 100 of those comments are giving me suggestions as to some parables or superstitions that you or your parents have, and you comment that below, then I'm going to do a part 2 of the video. And hopefully I just keep on doing more videos like these, you see me? Because my bigger brother reason the other day, I just tell him some things where we used to go to, and I said, dog, Jano, come like me get Americanized, because I don't remember them things there, you know? If you never that, oh, you remember them things there, I said, Jano, I do have a lot to share with the people. And nothing like culture, like when you're overseas, trust me, it's like you want to connect more with the culture. I don't know why. When I'm there in Jamaica, I never care about what I go on for the news. I just live and go about my daily life. But when I'm overseas now, I want to know what's happening in my country. So that I can comment and let me know if that's you. You see me? But once again, you know, big up the people, enough love for the love. And I hope this weekend is a great weekend for you and yours. You feel me? I say, as I said earlier, my porridge are done. I need to go drink my porridge. get myself together, go to the gym, and get it in. You know what I say? No flow for the love, my people. Safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.